UK's history of colonization and slavery has long been under the spotlight, and now calls for payment of reparations are growing louder. A leading judge at the International Court of Justice has said United Kingdom will no longer be able to ignore the calls for paying reparations for transatlantic slavery. Judge Patrick Robinson said that world over the tide on slavery reparations was turning around. He urged the United Kingdom to change its stance on the issue and consider paying compensation for years of abuse that African slaves endured under their rule. Robinson said, and I quote him here, "Reparations have been paid for other wrongs and obviously far more quickly, far more speedily than reparations for what I consider the greatest atrocity and the crime in the history of mankind, transatlantic slavery." The comments come on the heels of a report published by Robinson in June this year. The 115-page document titled Reparations for Transatlantic Slavery in America and the Caribbean has calculated and detailed that UK alone is obligated to pay a whopping $24 trillion as reparations for slavery in 14 countries. Those against reparations have often questioned calculations behind the skyrocketing figures, compensatory damages. Now let's take a look at the factors considered for accurately calculating the trust cost in the aftermath of slavery. Loss of life and liberty during the period of slavery, stolen potential of foregone earnings, recognition of intergenerational trauma, loss of heritage, disparities in life expectancy, opportunity cost of employment and income, and most importantly, the calculations include the wealth and GDP amassed by countries that exploited African labor. Well, the global voices for reparations have been growing louder for some time now. In July, leader of the community of Latin American and Caribbean states, Ralph Gonsalves, said that they are considering approaching the United Nations International Court of Justice for a legal opinion on demanding compensation from 10 European countries over slavery. Gonsalves said he was also seeking an apology from the British government and expressed disappointment in Rishi Sunak's lack of engagement in the matter, given his origins.
That's why I was delighted to welcome.